I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Through sunset, northwest winds continue to gust between 40 and 50, even to around 60 along and north of Highway 92. A few light showers this afternoon should die out this evening. Highs through the weekend remain in the 70s to the low 80s. With the approach of low pressure, a few thunderstorms are possible tomorrow night. Occasional thunderstorms more likely late Sunday afternoon into Monday night as low pressure forms over eastern Colorado and tracks to the east. Severe storms possible late Sunday afternoon through the evening with large hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes. There is a slight risk of severe storms, a level 2 of 5 that covers areas along and south of I-80 into Kansas. An enhanced risk, level 3 of 5, is over central and eastern Kansas. The central and east also highlighted for more severe storms on Monday. In the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures are seasonal to slightly cooler than normal the middle of next week before trending mostly warmer than normal late next week through the Memorial Day weekend and May 29th. Rainfall for Nebraska and Kansas Wednesday through May 29th likely to be slightly below normal to near normal. Taking a look at the 30-day forecast from the month of June, there's a good chance of warmer than normal temperatures in Nebraska and Kansas and mostly near normal rainfall. Far western areas of Nebraska and Kansas expected to trend slightly below normal for rainfall next month. For the summer months of June, July, and August in Nebraska and Kansas, the latest forecast continues to call for good chances of warmer than normal temperatures and below normal rainfall this summer. Key weather factors influencing the markets include western locations of the southern plains becoming drier, rain and storms across the Corn Belt, and dry spots in Europe, China, and Australia. Back-to-back storms striking across the northern U.S. maintain unsettled weather across much of the U.S. the next few days. The Central Plains early next week expects widespread rain for much of the Corn Belt. 5-day rainfall should reach 1 to 4 inches from northern sections of the Rockies and Plains into the Mid-South and lower Midwest. Higher totals may occur in the mid-Mississippi Valley, while severe thunderstorms could affect many locations. Mostly dry weather returns to key western wheat areas of the southern plains over the next 5 days. A weekend cold spell may lead to widespread frost in the north-central U.S. Hot weather prevails into next week across much of the south. Much of northwestern Europe trending drier. It could use some rain. Chances may increase for that needed rain in northwest Europe the end of the month. In Australia, a forecast of below normal rainfall for most of the wheat belt expected to stress the wheat establishment even more. For most of central China, drier conditions are stressing wheat in the reproductive to filling stages and some corn and soybeans that were just planted. Limited rain expected in central China the next 2 weeks, while northern China's corn and soybean areas continue to fare better. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.